Hello, my name is Austin Green and I'm a senior studying psychology. One of the great things about Furman is its location. While you're on campus, you'll be spending a lot of time in the Trump Student Center, in the dining hall, and in the library doing some studying. But because of its location, you'll be spending a lot of time in Travelers Rest and in Greenville, where you'll have so many great experiences. Let me go ahead and show you some of our favorite spots.
First up is Travelers Rest, but we call it TR.
Students come here for great food, study spots, shopping, and to explore the outdoors. TR is right at the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains, so after class or on the weekends, you can head out to an overlook or hike to a waterfall.
Right now, I'm standing on the Swamp River Trail. It's a 20-mile long paved trail that runs along Furman and starts in TR, and it's only 6 more miles to downtown Greenville. Welcome to Greenville. As Greenville's official university, you'll see a lot of purple walking downtown. If shopping's your thing, you have a lot of options. Greenville has a lot of festivals, live music, and the best part of all, the food. As you can see, Greenville is such a great place to visit. Some of your friends might be here already working with a Fortune 500 company or even a startup. Some of my friends have interned with BMW, Prisma Health, which is the largest healthcare system here in South Carolina and in Greenville, and even with Bank of America. And actually, one of my friends ended up getting a job with them. There are so many ways to get down here. You can bike, drive, Uber, and on the weekends, on Friday and Saturday nights, you can take the Furman trolley. There are so many places to hang out, so many new things to do. If you're in the business of trying something new, then Furman's the place for you. Thanks for coming along with me to experience Greenville and TR. Schedule your visit today so that you can see this all for yourself. Go Dens!